This is little Tansy. We're in the dark because it's 28 degrees outside, and hers loves it. But the wind and the babies. Now this is a mix California, New Zealand black. And anybody who says they don't make good mamas, she pulls her hair every time. Every time. She feeds them. And then she covers them. And their little bellies are so fat. So, that dispels that little theory. Actually, I have a friend who she took 2 of my babies, and they have made the best mamas. They are New Zealand. Well, they were, let's see here. Yeah, they're, yeah, they were the California New Zealand mix as well. So, that's Miss Tansy. And her's as sweet as her can be. Her loves that loving. Her loves that loving. Yes, her does. Her loves that loving. All right. Y'all have a good day. Happy New Year.